In this video, I'm gonna be walking through how to make Elementor full width. So as you can see right now, I'm editing my page using Elementor. And now to make this website full width using Elementor, click on the settings and here select settings and click on general settings and scroll down. Here you'll get page layout option. So click on this drop down and here select Elementor full width. And as you can see, my website is full width now. And to make any container full width, as you can see, I want to make this container full width. To do that, select the container and come to this layout section, and here you will get content width. Click on this drop down and here select full width. And this is how we can make website full width in Elementor. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. See you in the next video.